Hello, Sagittarius. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely Moonians. This is a monthly reading for March 2021. We will be looking into love and anything else that the Spirit has for us, alright? So, do check your other signs as well: Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, because this is based on a collective energy, alright? So, before we begin, let's just calm ourselves down and open our mind to receive the guidance coming through. Just focus on your breathing. All right. So let's see what the oracle has for us, like an overall theme. We have tetrahedron coming through, life force energy, sacral chakra energy, and not sacral. I don't know why I said sacral, but it's because of the downward energy which is coming in. But also solar plexus chakra energy, life force energy coming in. There's this determination rising in you, passion in you, even towards your career rising, full feeling in charge, feeling excited is coming through, but determination, motivation, that clear focus is the energy which is coming in. You are ready to soar, you are ready to expand coming through. Certain kind of change to bring in more stability in your life, growth in your life. Alright, I'm going to read a passage. This is a fairly new deck and I just channeled whatever I could. This was the first time I was seeing this. And this one says, the tetrahedron speaks to the male side of your nature, the divine masculine energy within you. This is the place of action. This is the fire of ambition and the understanding that it will take to bring ideas and projects to fruition. Is there a project you have been considering or a decision you have been putting off? Now is the time to take action and initiate movement that will activate ideas and complete creative projects. Listen to your inner guidance and ensure that this action is not mere smoke and flames, but intentional movement towards your highest good coming through. A lot of determination coming in, things working out, new opportunities coming in, things lining up. This is a very, very expansive time for you guys, very beautiful energy. So kudos to what you have been doing, because now is the time that the chariot is flowing in, and it also sees like love offer and all of that, but just overall in life there's a very good push, a very nice thrust which is coming, entering your life. All right, so let's look into the 3D energies now. We have the Five of Spirals coming through. This came in for the last reading. Who did I do last? And I think for Taurus it came through, the last one that I put out, like today. Anyways, Aries is about to come out. The Five of Spirals is a energy of a little bit of suspension which is occurring due to fear, due to certain kind of obstacles, due to outside influence. There's a little bit of hesitation coming through, or pent up energy which is coming in because certain kind of roadblock is ahead, or immediately you can see a roadblock, whether in your control or most likely outside your control, beyond your control. We have the Dreamer, Knight of Mirrors also coming through, someone who is really getting passionate, or even in terms of there's this emotional hurdle with someone, mostly Sagittarian. This is the department of Sagittarius when I'm reading this, and this is the other person, could be anyone, all right, getting channeled in, coming into your attention. The dreamer coming in is someone who is being asked to let go of the fear of uncertainty and listen to your heart, listen to your core truth. What is your intuition guiding you? Because positive steps are being laid out for you. You can choose anything, but choose something which is for your highest good, is the energy which is coming through. You could be feeling the love vibrations the feelings, strong feelings coming in, and slowly and steadily there's this shift which is occurring. Something which had been prolonged or just put aside for a very long time is coming into your forefront. And perhaps even in terms of love, I feel, because Knight of Mirrors is Knight of Cups, the Knight of Love. All right, so there's offer which is coming in, getting inspired to offer something, to approach something in a different way, which gives a lot of momentum in your life, is the energy. We have the wheel coming through, the wheel of fortune coming in was divine timing, maybe at work, and we have the 10 of scrolls also coming through. So there is a little bit of transition which is happening, certain kind of completion. The 10 of scrolls is asking the tiger to not be fearful, but to remember who he, she, or they are, and come back to that. Get up once again is the energy which is coming through. Any kind of anxiety that may have been there in your life is about to be reduced, is coming through, or just wash away is the energy which is coming in. Just a shift of perspective which will also help you, or just simply going within a little and realizing where is this hesitation coming from. We have the Queen of Spirals coming in. Wow, okay. The Queen of Spirals is Queen of Wands, the Queen of Fire. So Sagittarius, Aries, and Leo energy coming in. And this is someone who is ready to move forward. So if you felt that the other person, your person, is healing, hasn't overcome something that has occurred in the past between you two, also perhaps understand that they have healed and they are looking forward. And this is the way they could be seeing you, as someone who is very passionate, very driven, ambitious, playful, funny, life of the party, at the very same time very, very nurturing, sensitive to, innocent as well. Or you could be seeing this person in that light. But I feel like this person is getting more clearer as to what all they love about this queen over here. Beautiful energy. And we have the 5 of scrolls. So 5s are in fact coming through over here. There could have been someone walking away in the past, is the energy which is coming through. Or they want a certain kind of change. If things have been stagnant, they want something to happen now, or certain kind of advancement, if not leaps that we're taking, but certain kind of advancement that they feel that it is important. Both are feeling there is a need for change, so you both are on the same page in that way. Who is more likely to take action into doing that, like taking the relationship also perhaps forward? There's more likeliness over here, openness over here. There's a little bit of this hesitation, but the offer is there. This could be you, this could be you. Take what resonates, let go of that which doesn't. All right, but a very beautiful energy which is coming through. Someone may be feeling that this person is too good for them, or vice versa, but this person has grown after the walking away. This person has really grown, is the energy which is coming through. Glow up energy which is coming through. You are seeing this person in a different light, and so are they. They are appreciating the positives, your positive attributes quite a bit. They love that innocence in you and the drive in you, like you are very intelligent, intellectual, spiritual, secretly spiritual too. You have so much knowledge yourself, and it's like just a very beautiful energy which is there. This person has healed, is the energy which is coming in, and is inspired to look forward to things, is also coming through. They have cut cords with things which weren't beneficial for this person. So if there was a known third party scenario that has come to an end, or they want to come for it to come to an end, that is also coming through. But more than likely it is about to happen. This is just very specifically coming through, so just had to say it. It's not a message for everyone. If there is a third party scenario, you will know about it, is the energy over here. All right, let's look into the guidance. That was a little odd thing. We have 6th chakra Archangel Metatron coming in, reminding you to listen to your intuition, which is coming in over here also. to use your logic, to use your intuition into making decisions and taking actions also. All right. I like how the cards just put this on its place. Like, become aware. Like, what is truly adding value to your life? Are you completely focusing on one thing, and the pause is coming in? The delays are there. Is there certain kind of imbalance that you're creating in your life? That is also very much required. We have the angel of love coming through. Rose quartz may be very beneficial for you if you are into crystals, but yeah, healing time is the energy which is over here. We have the broken heart which is coming to an end, or they realize that when perhaps you both met, you both were hurting, and you had to come apart, or certain kind of distancing which happened, separation, physical distance also which happened, which was very much required, but both have to heal together, is the energy which is coming through. And we have the sun, inspiration, which is coming through. I feel you both may have triggered each other quite a bit. You bring in a lot of happiness into this person. You are healing to them, and I very strongly feel you are healing for them too. It is time to open your heart, is the energy for both coming in. Both are scared. It's just that certain kind of lifestyle has been going on, and this intense connection may be new, maybe something old, maybe it had many phases, could be a marriage, whatever it is for you. You keep coming back, reminding each other what needs to be healed. You are being asked to listen to your heart also. Listen to your heart's beautiful song and dance along energy which is coming through. 4s, 9s, and 1s could be significant. Leo energy coming through over here. Third eye energy coming in. They intuitively know that this is somewhere down the line a very old, I've known you before in past lifetimes, that kind of energy which is coming through over here. That enlightenment as to why this connection is so strong in their life, that is also coming through, but a lot of success which is coming in. There's a lot of inspired growth that I can see over here. It is safe for you to love energy. Okay, that I just shuffled it once. We have friendship coming through, the squirrel and the horse coming in, and a deer is also there. Seek out your soul family. Surrender yourself with positive people. Spend more time socializing. Energy coming through. This is the time to explore, expand. Keep a positive mindset. Listen to your intuition. Keep a positive, optimism will help you. Happiness has its own high is also coming through. And we have nature, earth energy coming in over here, and fire energy coming through. Nature says ground yourself, find a sanctuary in nature, connect with the elementals, come back to who you are, energy which is coming through. This may be a person who is very highly connected to earth, to the energies, makes organic things, is connected with animals, or has the healer energy. You both balance each other in a very beautiful way is the energy which is coming through. It's almost like the heartbreak, any kind of heartbreak that occurred, I feel, between you two, wherein you also got hurt. Maybe you didn't show it because in the upright, I don't know, I'm channeling too much now. In the upright, the rose quartz is outside. In the reverse, I feel like the rose quartz is hidden, kind of a thing. I feel like you didn't show it, you didn't tell, but it hurt you, it saddened you, that energy. But the friendship comes in very naturally, is also coming in over here. There's a need to ground this relationship. That is what this person feels. Root chakra energy coming in, heart chakra energy, sacral chakra energy over here. Very, very high soulmate energy which is coming in. Soul to soul connection is the energy which is coming through. Someone admiring, this horse is admiring the one over here, graced by nature. You may see this person as someone who is gifted, and that may be a pull. They may see you as gifted also. All right, let's look into the charms now. I was hoping I'd get some uh, sign charms. Anyways, we have the golden leaf coming through. The a change is coming in. They can feel it somewhere down the line. A change is coming in this relationship. Fall could be significant. Change of season energy, which is coming through. Wanting to spring back into union. That energy is coming in. They love you as you are. They love your nature and the friendship also that you both have developed. We have the monkey coming through. You or them or both could have been born in the year of the monkey, Chinese year of the monkey. They may see you as someone who is very playful. They really like that because you bring out, they feel safe to bring out and share their inner youthful self, also that spirit, the inner child. Healing is also coming in, but they may feel that you overthink at times, and that's why there's this inaction which occurs. We have the moon and the pixie also over here. They feel this connection is overlooked by angels. They dream about you, that is also coming in, or you could also be dreaming about them. Both are dreaming about each other. We have another leaf over here. This was an earring for me, like a bunch of them together in one earring. Happy times, sun and moon energy in both the. There's a very beautiful bond between you two, and it's like you don't have to work too much. It's all very much in sync. All right, we have another moon coming through. This person really thinks about you. They too have very deep feelings. I love you to the moon and back energy, which is coming through. They really, I would say, love you. We have the or very deep feelings depending on the situation. Um, we have the golden anchor also coming through, which is like person may be thinking about, is this the one for me, because it came in reverse, right? So the feelings are there, but the decision may not have been made right now because expectations have not been met, or things aren't in the way they expected by now, or the need thereof of change, all of that. We have the eye also coming in, third chakra awakening. This is also talking about take a look from the higher, like see things from the higher perspective. There's a new refreshing of the eyes, so take a break and then come back. Take care of your eyes could also be something, or like look into the eyes next time and you'll find an answer that you may have been seeking. That is also coming through. We have the horseshoe. They see you, this connection, they find you to be lucky for them, or just generally very lucky. They feel lucky to have met you. That is the energy. Or this could also business partnership also could turn out to be something very beneficial, very successful. We have the ring coming through, engagement ring. They may be thinking of ascending, progressing this connection, that energy. We have the butterfly coming through. They are looking at you as someone who explores, who is learning, who is growing. Metamorphosis, they are supporting you in the changes that you're making, is also coming through. They want to travel to you, with you. We have the Amya, and there's this recognition of that everything that has happened in the past up until now has had its significance. You both have grown. It was required for your soul growth. That is the recognition coming in over here. We have the boy and the teddy bear. They would just like to cuddle you. They love that physical touch, and they will just like to snuggle you and sleep, or just hold on to your hand, or have some kind of like just touching your knee to knee, that kind of a thing. We have the spiral over here, and reminds me of a mat placing for a date dinner. that kind of thing. But apart from that, coming into the spiritual realm, there are some beautiful ripples of love and kindness that are going to be created between you two. That is what is coming through. This, whenever you both are together, the vibrations are very, very high. Even intimacy awakens your sacral chakras. Listen to tantric music next time. It's just a frequency, very good for the Kundalini, Merkaba, life force energy. We have the sewing machine. I'll write it. So they want to mend the relationship. They want fashion could be of significance. Starting a new venture with you. Very homely vibe is coming in over here. Like all of this, you could literally put in a house as bigger pieces. There's this home wanting to settle down, that kind of a change which is coming through. It may be daunting for this person also because they love their independence too. Best of luck. Enjoy the flow. This is a very beautiful experience you are on. Stop worrying so much. Be your natural self. It will do you so much good with this person too. All right, so that is what is coming in. Do let me know your thoughts, and I would love to hear your thoughts. Genuinely will. And if you enjoyed the reading, then please to hit the thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and please to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already part of the Moonian family, thank you so much for being part of this journey together. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, clarity, motivation, and zest to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonians.